That could be. We do one more test, and this one we're going way beyond our parameters. I guess it's PSIs we're measuring, not bars. So this one's going to run up around 10 PSI, which is about almost 3 times what our typical setting is. But it seems to be burning a lot hotter than it was with the zero air. You can see it melting pretty good there.
Less smoke.
Yeah, a lot less smoke. So, you see they can go a lot faster. You have some milk when you start out. But that tends to, that almost looks very similar to the air, or to the finish we were getting with the zero air. And that's running, like you said, 10 PSI. And this is the Altrazero air. But definitely not the same effect as we get with the nitrogen weld.